All right, we got the 64.5 Ford Mustang, beautiful red. Up on the lift, we'll do an undercarriage walkthrough. This car is actually super clean, in great condition. A lot of work's been done to it. Runs and drives really solid. She's got a lot of power in there too. But we'll start by kind of taking a look at the rear valance here and shine some light up on there. You know, it was see a little bit of scuffing right here. I'm gonna hit a polish on it. I'm sure that'll come right off. No scratches, nothing major. But the rear valance, underside of the bumper looks good. Bumper could use a little polish, but I don't see any pitting or damage to it at all. Even the little bumperettes. You got dual exhaust. Sounds really good on this one too. MagnaFlow bumpers on it. You can see it's been undercoated or painted underneath. It's got new KYB gas adjusts all the way around. And the Cobra tires look pretty new too. A lot of tread on them. I'll try to get a date, find the DOTs, I could let you know. But going up underneath it, you can see all the metal, no corrosion. And I could see all the brake lines here were replaced. It is drums in the rear, but they've got discs up front. You see the driveline had been done at some point not too long ago. All original floors. No metal replaced here. And they look perfect. No signs of patchwork or damage that I can spot. You know, it even looks like, yeah, the leaf spring bushings are in good condition. They were replaced at some point. Going up in the passenger side rear quarter, see all that's been painted up in there too. Gonna hop over to the driver's side here. Yeah, same thing. So the springs were out, new bushings pressed in. I see new bump stops. You know, same thing up here with all the metal, the trunk. No signs of issues. Got a little bit of surface corrosion there you can see on the rear diff. And what I bet happened was brake lines, leaked brake fluid on it, didn't get it cleaned off. But this rear diff had been pulled at some point and redone. Pinion seal looks nice and clean and tight. Again, same thing on the floor pans. You get the driver's side inner fender. A little bit of fall splatter up in there. Driver's side rocker looks good. Bright works nice. And I don't see any signs of damage or corrosion repair on here at all. Up into the driver's side front wheel well. And the lips too look good around the fenders. Got, as I mentioned, disc brakes in the front. You see upper and lower ball joints were replaced. KYBs with spring over. Aftermarket sway bar, new fuel pump, new motor mounts. Same on the passenger side. All the tie rod ends are good. It steers really well too and tracks like you want it to. I'd say this motor was rebuilt not too long ago. You can see the brass freeze plugs, you know, the block itself. I'll try and get more light in there for you. Looks really good. We got a little bit of a leak here coming front of the pan. Might just need to throw a couple turns on the screws. Yeah, because the rear, you can see the oil pan gasket was replaced not too long ago. A little bit of seepage, so I'll put a wrench on those and tighten them up for you. But all the brake lines are new up front. 4-speed transmission. Slight shift shaft leak right there. Not a drastic one, it's not dripping, but you could see a little bit of it would be spilling down onto here. I don't see any leaks from the main seals. Transmission bushings new. Tail seal looks good and dry. You can see it looks like they must have picked up a plastic bag or something plastic got on the exhaust here, because that's definitely melted. So I'm guessing somewhere along the line they ended up hitting some kind of a plastic on the road. But all the frame rails are really solid and look good. Get over onto driver's side, or passenger side, excuse me, rocker. You can see a little bit of excess mud coming down here, whether that's a skim coat or more, hard to say. But look at the actual metal under here, it looks good. Car was originally maroon, you could tell. Now it's red, obviously. But passenger side, front wheel well. You know, this one's ready to just jump in and cruise. It's in beautiful condition. 64.5 too. Front valance. Again, bumper looks good, bumperettes. Just a little dirty. I still have to wash this one up, polish her. Some bug splatter on there. They drove it a couple hours to get it here. But chrome looks really good on it. I don't see any damage whatsoever to this front valance either. So there she is. American Racing. Torque thrusts on there. Beautiful car.